Sit down comfortably and put the violin on your lap. Prepare your tuner right near you. Hold the neck of the violin with one of your hands and pluck a string with the thumb. The other hand is for adjusting the tuners. Start from A string, which is the second from the right. Pluck the string. Check the tuner. Now, the tuner will be picking up my voice, so ignore that part. Now, tuner is on the right side of the A, so I will turn the fine tuner knob counterclockwise. Until you see the green light. Now good. D string. Now the meter is on the left side, which means the note is too flat or too low. So I will turn the knob clockwise. Good. G string. G string was good. E string. Now it's also flat. I will turn the knob to clockwise. So if your fine tuners don't have any room to adjust, you need to adjust the pegs. For adjusting the pegs, I'll show you in another video.